Good evening guys, from a new country, Cambodia. I've just arrived. I left Saigon this morning, got a 10-hour bus, and I've just arrived here in Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia. So let's not waste any time, let's crack on with a video here in the capital. Let's get some street food. Just some beer please, a beer.
Okay, yeah. Okay, drink some beer please.
I've now been joined by Patrick, who lives here in Cambodia, speaks Cambodian, and you lived there for how long, 20 years?
Yeah, 20 years.
20 years. So, when he Instagrammed me, I said, yes mate, let's link up and you can show me around your city. So, here he is.
Yeah, I'm Patrick, Cambo Vlogs, and I've been in Cambodia for 20 plus years, and I'm married to my wife, and I've started a little family here. And yeah, I'm pretty much a local now, and I'm the #1 Cambodian YouTuber here. So, cheers, Ben.
Cheers, mate. Check out his videos, guys. They're awesome. Well then, let's hit the bars here in Phnom Penh. Patrick, where to, mate?
Go straight and follow lights, and we'll hit some pretty nice bars.
Nice one. We've entered like a night market here. Look at this. People cooking chicken on the side of the road.
Yeah,
wow. It's a cool city, mate. There's rickshaws here in Cambodia. I haven't seen a rickshaw since bloody Pakistan. Look, there's loads of them all parked up inside the street here. Oh, mate, you alright? Right, we have entered the nightclub scene. Let me tell you, it looks like something from Koh San Road. Patrick, where do you recommend, mate?
Follow lights, and we'll find a good bar there.
Let's do it. Yeah. Lead the way, mate. Look at this! What the hell's going on? So here's some of the bar names around here. You've got Phem Don over there, you've got Phem Don Cambodia, Party Girl, Tiger Bar. What else you got? Amazing Bar.
Amazing bar, wow.
Round, what's that say?
It's not just amazing bar, it's wow.
Diamond 136. All sorts of stuff going on here. A wow bar, wow, look at this. We got Trommy restaurant up here. Trommy, here have pool bar beer, enjoy with us. And the Lady Bar and Smile Supermarket. Lovely stuff, thank you. How do you say thank you in Cambodian? Sorry?
Akorn.
Acorn?
Akorn.
Acorn. Acorn. Thank you.
I forgot to ask the price. They might upcharge us for these beers.
That's all right. $2.50.
She doesn't know the price. She's like, let me check.
Oh, we're gonna get scammed, mate.
Yeah.
$10 a beer. Right, guys. Me and Patrick are gonna sink a couple more drinks and enjoy the rest of the night here. I've got an early night tomorrow, so I'm gonna hit the sack soon. I'm going to a place called Siem Reap. Where is Siem Reap?
Siem Reap's up north.
Far away?
It's like about a 7-8 hour drive.
8 hours?
Depends on the drive.
Jesus, I didn't know that.
If it's a good drive, it's okay. It'll be like 6 hours. If it's a bad drive, it'll be like 8 hours.
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Bloody hell. Anyway, I'm going to link Patrick's channel below. Check out his videos. If you come to Cambodia, this is the man you need to see. So thanks again, mate.
Yeah.
And yeah, cheers to Vietnam. Cheers to Cambodia.
Cheers.
Good morning guys, it's the next day here in Phnom Penh, and before we get the 8-hour bus to Siem Reap, I thought I'd show you what $14 a night gets you here in the capital of Cambodia. When I was trying to find a hotel for Phnom Penh, this came up on booking.com as the highly recommended #1 book place here in the capital. I arrived here, I don't think that's true. I mean, the bed's alright, but the rest of the place, Jesus, look at that. Seating area, blood-stained walls, window with a view. And the bathroom. So what do you reckon, guys? Is this worth the money? I say yes.
Tell you what, decent little drive this, can't fault it. Got the front seat, and I've just found out it's only 4 hours, not 8 hours, so that's even better news. I've just stopped on the side of the road here for a quick snack. And yeah, this is it. Welcome to rural Cambodia, about 3 hours from Phnom Penh. This is it. Hey bro.
Hello, this one.
Oh yeah, okay.
hello,
Here's
Cambodia.
12,000. Thank you, mate.
Yes.
Thank you. Well then, a new hotel here in Cambodia. This again cost me something like $17 a night. And it looks pretty decent. Look at this. What a nice place. So let's get inside and get checked in and get some much needed food. Wow, what a place. Hello. Can I check in, please? I keep my shoes on? Off? Don't take off. Okay, right. Wow, look at this. Ooh. This is what $20 gets you here in Siem Reap. I've just checked the price on my booking and paid. And look, a choice of 3 beds to choose from. Not bad, huh? Kettle, mirror, and a fridge. And of course the bathroom. Oh, and the toilet. Right guys, I mean $20, you cannot beat Southeast Asian prices, can you? I mean, bloody hell. Well done, I've left my hotel. Right next to my hotel is this nice little coffee shop. So let's get a cup of coffee, wake up a little bit, and then explore this amazing little city. I've got about 2 days here, so let's make the most of it.
Hi, excuse me. Sorry to interrupt. Are you a YouTuber?
I am a YouTuber, yes. I'm doing a video now.
Am I interrupting?
Nah, you can be in it if you want. Do you want to sit down?
Oh, hell yeah. This
Of course, why not? You're from here?
Yeah, I'm local.
Oh, right, nice to meet you.
Bella.
Ben,
Oh, Ben.
I've just arrived. I have literally no idea what to do.
Really?
Yeah, any recommendations?
Yeah, actually, I'm heading to the mountain right now.
Right.
Yeah, and I could use some company, I think.
Alright, have you got a bike?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do
Yeah.
it, why not? Right, let the adventures begin here in Siem Reap. This is Bella's bike. Right, off to the mountains. Lead the way.
Sweet ride.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Sweet. Well, thanks for bringing me, Bella. Thank you for getting out me the crazy city. Should we head back?
Should we?
Well, we can walk around here for a minute, or is there a higher point?
There's a higher point, but you need the tickets for it.
Oh, okay, forget it. We'll just chill here and then head back. Bella is telling me some facts about the mountain. Please, explain.
Okay, so this mountain used to be like a fully formed mountain until someone just like kind of like bombed it to collect the rocks.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus. I mean, it's still quite big, but...
Well, a lot of people will call it a hill now instead of a mountain.
yeah, it's more of a hill. Driving up, there's these little red flags, right? Planted in the mud. Did you see that?
It just looked like something like, you know, when there's
They're like setting
mines.
yeah, like a mine.
Exactly.
I'll show you when we go back down the hill. There's like little red, like mine flags. I'll show you when we go back down the hill. Excuse me. What is this? The red things? This?
They would go home.
It's not bombs, is it? It is. So they are going to blow the mountain.
No.
What are they doing then?
It was for a warning sign.
Oh, just warning signs for the bombs.
Yeah, so people wouldn't trespass.
Wow. There's loads of people up this hill. I don't know if my camera picks it up. Just placing these red little flag points down. Oh yeah. Danger mines. Yeah. Wow. These guys are brave. Okay, thank you. How do you say thank you in Cambodian?
Alcon.
Akon. Akon. Good luck. Wow, that's the adventures you can have here in Cambodia. Mines everywhere. an abandoned, hopefully there's no mines in here. Jesus, look at this. Bloody hell, it's like an abandoned barn or something. Wooden boats in here as well. Reminds me of being back in Japan, that abandoned love hotel. Sorry, Bella. I like looking at abandoned things. Let's go. Holy shit, where? Hello. Wow. Oh, it is a snake. Bloody hell. How much is a snake?
Ôi mà này 3,000.
3,000 for one snake? I'll take one. 3,000's like 50 cents?
75.
75 cents?
This is pig.
I choose any. Wow. What else are they cooking up over here? Wow, what is this? Is that more snake? Who knows?
And then there's frogs,
Is it frogs, is it?
crickets,
Crickets, frogs,
worms.
worms, snakes.
Could be those.
Is there anything they don't eat in this country? No.
They do eat spiders.
I'll try a spider if they have it. Let's get a snake. I'll get it for takeaway. I'll eat it back home. Here it is, getting prepared here. And there it is, one snake. Thank you. Come on. I mean, Akon. Pulled up on the side of the road here, this awesome pit stop. Look at this. Must be about 50 hammocks dangling from the roof here. What a place. And then down here, look at this view. Not bad, huh? Cambodia. Right, I am now going to try this snake. I'm a bit nervous, I'll be honest. But let's do it. It's in this bag. Oh dear. Oh dear. So you've never tried it, right?
No.
Do you want to?
No.
Right, I'm gonna
I
try it.
heard that it's kind of like fish.
Fish? Alright.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's bone in that or anything.
Alright. I only tried crocodile though.
Crocodile tastes like chicken, it's nice. Yeah.
It almost tastes like fish.
Okay. But I'm gonna try it. Okay,
Maybe
here we
try
go.
the camera.
Oh man. I mean, I don't even know where to begin with this. Do I just bite into the center or what?
Maybe how about doing that?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
It's alright. It does taste like fish, you're right. It tastes like fish. Look at all that bone in the middle there. I don't know if my camera shows it. So much bone.
Yeah, let's sing it.
Just pure bone.
Probably
Wow, good camera work there, Bella. Well done. So now I'll just try a little bit at the end, I guess. Oh, it's so greasy.
It's like you're eating string.
It's just bone. Right, there you go. That is snake here in Cambodia. Would I recommend it? Yes, but a lot of bone. Bella, now it's your turn.
No.
Bella's making me try. Nah, she's offered to show me this.
Yeah.
So it's lotus fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try it. Let's do it.
Do you want to cook one or do you want a what?
What, I'll just bite into this?
No, this one is a cooked one.
Right, I see. So what's this then?
This one is a raw one, but you can still eat it.
Okay, I'll try the cooked one.
Try the cooked one.
Okay. Hold on, is there a seed in the middle?
No. No!
Beg your
You
pardon?
have to peel it.
Oh, right. What do I do then? Oh, inside is what I'm eating, right?
Yeah. have to peel it. You see?
Right, let me put this down.
Peelable. Look at that. It's actually quite healthy, you know.
We don't
tastes
have
like
this in
beans.
England. It tastes like what?
Beans.
So this is a lotus fruit here in Siem Reap. Alright.
Beans.
It tastes like beans. Literally tastes like beans. Like a kidney bean or something. Right, these are mine now. I
You
good.
like it?
Thank you guys. Yeah, we need to head back. It gets super hot here in Siem Reap and Cambodia in general. So after like 11 a.m. it gets boiling. It gets to like... Beg your pardon?
It depends. Like not long ago, like yesterday or the day before, it's pretty much cool. At least for me.
As a Brit, anything past 24, 22 degrees is like it's unbearable. So we need to get back.
16 for you is summer, so.
Alright, lead the way, Bella. Lead the way. So the main reason people come to Siem Reap and Cambodia in general is to see the temples, you know, the pagodas, and it's the first time I'm seeing it. Pretty incredible. Praying?
Yeah.
Do you recommend me checking out Angkor Wat whilst I'm here?
Yes, totally.
How many hours do I need?
A whole day.
A whole day?
More.
More? Yeah, when I mentioned I was coming to Cambodia, everyone said you've got to check out Angkor Wat Temple in Siem Reap. I will go to it, but I didn't realise how big it is, so it's going to be like a whole day there. So I'm guessing I'll go tomorrow because it's going to get too hot in a minute. Maybe I'll start early tomorrow morning. Well, we're back at the hotel. Thank you, Bella. That was awesome. Well, I'll see you later or something. We'll make a new plan.
Yeah, let's actually make a new plan.
Yeah, that was awesome. I enjoyed that.
Plans.
Of course. But that was really good. I enjoyed that. You made the day.